Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the eye comfort mode for your Android device. So if you want to enable the eye comfort mode, the most easiest method to do is to simply access your notification drawer or the quick action toolbar. So if I'll slide my device from the top, I will access the quick action settings, and from here I need to find this option which says eye comfort. It is not mandatory that it will be present in your notification slide bar, but if it is and the button is available, simply tap on it and it will enable the eye comfort mode. And if it is not enabled, simply go to your device settings, and once you will land onto the settings, all you need to do is search for eye comfort. So if I try to search here, you can see that the eye comfort button is now disabled, so I will simply enable it by clicking here, and here you can see that I have successfully enabled the eye comfort mode. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.